Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Enable voice chat in Valorant settings and pick your input device. Once done, set input volume around 75 to 90% so teammates hear you clearly, and choose push-to-talk or voice activity. Make sure your push-to-talk key is bound to a comfortable button. V or left alt work well, because consistent keys reduce mistakes under fire. Also verify Windows or Mac privacy permissions for the microphone so the game can actually access your hardware. Now focus on how to use channels and levels during a match. Join team voice for competitive rounds so only teammates hear callouts, and use party voice per game with friends. Adjust voice chat volume to balance game audio versus comms, and tweak the microphone threshold if you use voice activation. Lower threshold picks up more, higher reduces background noise. While playing, watch the in-game mic indicator to confirm you're transmitting, and learn quick mute options from the scoreboard to handle noisy players fast. Finish by practicing operation and a single troubleshooting habit. During matches, hold your push-to-talk key only when giving callouts, or keep voice activation tuned so background noise doesn't trigger comms. Before competitive play, run a quick practice match or party test to confirm others hear you and volumes are balanced. If teammates can't hear you, check Windows/Mac default input device, update audio drivers, confirm microphone access in privacy settings, and restart Valorant. Doing these steps resolves most connection or permission problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.